kumana gikeno na ukungwiri thukuru-ini wa Kiamugumo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga igongona-ini ria ngurario ya Governor Anne Mumbi na wakiri Kamutho wa Iganjo. Igongona rirehire hamwe President Uhuru Kenyatta, mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga, mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, maafitha anene thirikari-ini, ateti athure kuma ituri ngurani cia bururi, arata na andu a family ici ciere.
So mimi nataka kuwapatia leo mama ambaye amekoma, anaitwa Mumbi. Sisi tumepeana Mumbi akae kwa hiyo meza na Mungu awabariki sana.
Sasa huyo Mumbi is a real other, I think is the Mumbi, I don't know what edition. Kamutho, you're in serious trouble. You have a Mumbi in the house.
Muthenya wao muthe ni agia na backup. Kana ni agia na mundu wa kumunyitagirira. Na koguo ni hindi ekurumia mwaro. Ni mwanyita wega andu a Kirinyaga.
Sasa Mumbi na Kamutho wameshikana pamoja. Kuna watu wengine, Mumbi alikuwa sema juzi, kuna wengine wanataka ati awe running mate. Leo yeye amepata walking mate.
Leo ni siku ya kurudishia Mungu asante. Kamutho, I can guarantee you, you have married a wonderful girl. A hard-working, committed woman. I have worked with her in government. I have worked with her when I was also at the Treasury before. And she is committed to everything she has done.
Muhikania akinyire aumagaritio na nyimbo na gikeno kinene gweterera muhiki wake. Nake muhiki ehubete nguo na mathaga ma mutumia Mugikuyu akinya aumagaritio na nyimbo na nduhio. Gicunjĩ kĩa bata kĩgongona rĩa ngurario kiuma muhiki na muhikania kurenga kiande kuringana na unduire wa Ugikuyu, kuonania nĩ matuĩka muthuri na mutumia na maririkanio atĩ unduire-inĩ wa Ugikuyu gũtirĩ ndigano. Na thutha wa kuingira igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ Anne Mumbi wa iguru, Governor wa Kirinyaga auma gũkũ Anne Mumbi Kamutho. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV ndĩ Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Martin Munene.